This is Brett with Motorsport Dynamics International. We're looking at a 2002 Ford F-250. This is a diesel 7.3 liter, turbocharged. Has only 180,000 miles. This vehicle is 4x4, 4-door, and it's a short bed. This vehicle is equipped with gray leather interior, and as you can see, the exterior is white two-tone with silver on the bottom. We've got really nice Cooper Discovery tires all the way around. Looks like they got some great tread left. You won't need to replace those anytime soon. Back here we've got a very clean bed. Doesn't look like too much use over its time frame. This vehicle is running as we speak. There's a couple imperfections on the exterior I'll go over with you. You've got a little mark right here on the rear fender. Looks like got a little mark right here and a little ding right here. Inside, I'll show you real quick, super clean. You've got power front seats. They're heated. You've got power mirrors, power windows and locks, cruise control, 180,000 miles. You've got the 6CD in-dash, as well as ice cold air conditioning. 4x4 on the floor, bench seat up front. In back, just as clean, power windows, rear slider, manual, nice and clean. Oh yeah, you do have the compass and computer up top. Door edges and frames very nice and clean. We do have this vehicle available online and locally for sale. So if you're interested in this vehicle, please do give me a call right away. We do end our sales early for interested buyers. My phone number is 954-258-2700. Another power seat up front here. Super, super clean. LARIAT. We've got a very simple DocuSign process. If you're interested in buying one of the vehicles from us, give me a call or shoot me a text. I can go over anything over the vehicle you'd like to know. And when you're ready to proceed with your purchase, I can email you all the documents for you to review and sign. Once we receive them back, we sign them on our end. After that, you're free to send payment. Once we receive your cleared payment, we can typically ship out within 12 to 24 hours. Zero blow by, really healthy. Thank you for watching my video. Again, my name is Brett. My phone number is 954-258-2700. If there's something else you'd like to see on this vehicle or are interested in other vehicles like this one, I do specialize in these types of trucks. Please give me a call or follow up with a message. I look forward to speaking with you soon. Thank you very much.